Dear students, today we will start with the new section of Unit 4, that is average. So as all of you know, average is the sum of observation divided by number of observation. And second is, suppose a man covers a certain distance at x kilometer per hour and equal distance as y kilometer per hour, then the average speed during the whole journey is 2xy upon x plus y kilometer per hour. Okay. So according to that we will solve the problem. So the first problem is, find the average of all prime numbers between 30 and 50. So there are 5 prime numbers between 30 and 50. First is 31, 33 is divisible by 11, then 35 is divisible by 7. So the next is 37, then 39 is also divisible, 41, 43 and 47. So these are the prime numbers. So the required average is 31 plus 37 plus 41 plus 43 plus 47 divided by 5. So it is 199 upon 5. So the average is 39.8. Next is, find the average of first 40 natural numbers. So the formula for sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So your n is 40, n plus 1 is 41 divided by 2, so it is 820. Sum of 40 natural numbers is 820. Required average is 820 divided by 40, so it is 20.5. Third problem, find the average of first 20 multiples of 7. As we know, if we want to find out the sum of n natural numbers, so it is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. So here n is 20. Okay. So n is 20, n plus 1 is 21, 20 plus 1 21, and this is 2. So this is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. And as we are finding out the average of multiple of 7, so multiply this by 7, and we are the number of observations are 20, so this is 20 here. So it is 147 by 2, it is 73.5. Next problem is, the average of 4 consecutive even number is 27. Find the largest number of the numbers. So as we know, there is a difference of 2 between even numbers. So suppose the first even number is x, then the next is x plus 2, third is x plus 4, and fourth is x plus 6. So the average is x plus 2 addition of this divided by 4. So it is 4x plus 12 divided by 4 is equal to 27. If we take 4 common, so it is x plus 3 is equal to 27. So x is equal to 24. 27 minus 3 24. So x is 24. Largest number is x plus 6. So 24 plus 6 is 30. So the largest number is 30. Sorry. Next is, there are two sections A and B of a class consisting of 36 and 44 students respectively. If the average weight of a section A is 40 and that of section B is 35, find the average weight of the whole class. As we know, in the section A there are 36 students and the average weight is 40. So the sum of the weight of this 36 student is 36 into 40. Same for the B class, the sum of the weight is 35 into 44. Okay. As we know that sum upon a number of observation is equal to average, so according to that we will find out the sum as average into total number of observation. So total weight of 36 plus 44 students is 36 into 40 plus 44 into 35 is equal to 2980 kg. So the average weight of both A and B class is 2980, and the total number of A plus B is 36 plus 44 means 80. So it is 37.25 kg. Example 6. 9 persons went to a hotel for taking their meals. 8 of them spent rupees 12 each on their meals, and 9 spent rupees 8 more than the average expenditure of all 9. So what was the total money spent by them? So let the average expenditure of the all 9 is x. Okay, so we will write the equation as the 8 persons spent rupees 12, so 12 into 8, and the 9th person spent average plus 8, so it is x plus 8 is equal to 9x. As we have considered, the average expenditure is x and the total number of observation are 9, so the sum is equal to 9 into x. Okay, so it is 9x. So we will get 8x is equal to 104, x is equal to 13. So the total money spent is equal to 9 into 13, it is 117. Okay, so next problem we will see in the next section. Thank you.